I was not always focused. In fact, I was failing exams, deadlines, and even myself. But everything changed, not because I became smarter, but because I changed my mindset. If you are struggling, this message is for you. Here's exactly how I turned failure into real success. The first shift: brutal honesty. I stopped telling myself I will start tomorrow. I stopped blaming teachers, family, and distractions. I admitted it. I am the reason I am not improving. And that moment, when I took full ownership, that's when everything started to change. Before, I used to study only when I felt like it. Now, I show up every day, same time, same place, no excuses. Even when I did not feel motivated, I stayed consistent. Because success is not about talent, it is about discipline. Motivation fades, discipline lasts. I stopped studying just to pass the exam. Instead, I started asking myself, how can this knowledge help me in real life? Once I connected my studies to my goals, I started enjoying the process. Curiosity made me unstoppable. No more multitasking. No more studying with 10 tabs open or a phone in my hand. I started using timers, deep focus sessions, and real breaks. Most people do not have a time problem. They have a focus problem. If you can protect your attention, you can change your results. I stopped hanging out with people who joked about failing. I started listening to those who were hungry to grow. Your environment sets your standard. Be around people who challenge you to level up, not drag you down. I did not become a top student overnight, but every small choice, the focus, the honesty, the discipline, added up. If I could turn it around, so can you. Do not just chase grades. Build a mindset that lasts for life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more powerful tips